Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever encountered a problem with a contact on Messenger that you just couldn't ignore? Do you want to know how to report a contact to Messenger so that the issue can be resolved? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to report a contact in Messenger. This is a great feature that can help you keep your messaging experience safe and enjoyable. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger and go to a certain chat. To report a contact in Messenger, open the app and go to the chat with that person. Step 2. Tap on the person's name. Next, tap on the person's name at the top of the chat screen. Step 3. Tap on Privacy and Support. In the person's profile screen, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Support section. Step 4. Tap on Report. In the Privacy and Support section, you'll see an option to report. Tap on this to access the reporting form. Step 5. Fill out the form. The reporting form includes a series of questions that allow you to report the problem you're having with the contact. Make sure to be as detailed as possible so that the issue can be resolved quickly. Conclusion. Reporting a contact in Messenger is an important step in keeping your messaging experience safe and enjoyable. Remember that Messenger takes reports seriously and will investigate any issues that are reported. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from us. Thanks for watching.